Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to jump start a dead battery on 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. This is gonna apply to Volkswagen Tiguans made from 2009 and all the way up to 2016. After you open your hood you will have to locate your battery. So battery on this vehicle is located on the driver's side right under this plastic cover. So to remove that cover you will have to push on this plastic tab, lift it up and then pull it towards yourself. Now if you're using a booster pack like I'm gonna use, it's the same thing as you're using a jumper cables and connecting it to other running vehicle. So what you want to do first, you want to connect positive cable to positive terminal of the battery, and in this case this is this terminal. So I'm gonna connect positive first, and then you will have to grab your negative cable and connect it to negative terminal of the battery. And now I will turn the booster pack on and I'm gonna go in the vehicle. I'm gonna try to start it. Right. And there you go, vehicle started. And now when your vehicle is started, to remove the cables you will have to remove negative cable first and then positive. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.